Turn your photos into art with this easy mobile app. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn any picture into amazing art with this app. So let's get into it. Now, we all take a look at some of the amazing photos on social media and think if we can create our photos to look like those. And sometimes the impeccable coloring, the shot, the cut, everything looks so amazing. But do you know that you can achieve the same look with this app? Now, this app is called VSCO, and there are an abundance of apps out there, but I'm going to go into VSCO because I have loved VSCO because it has so many different tools that you can use, and you can find this both on Android and iOS. So just head on over to your Play Store or App Store and download VSCO. Once you have downloaded VSCO, open it up and create your account. Once you click on your account, you will find your dashboard on the bottom. You have a home page, a discover page, where you can see and take a look at other people's images and content. Then you have your own studio section. And then after that, you have your profile and spaces. Now, if you go into the discover section, you can even search for different types of images. So if I want to search for maybe cats, I can search for cats over here and it can show me some amazing edits that people have created using VSCO. Now, how can you replicate this? Well, you can go on ahead and go into your own studio and let's upload one photo to begin editing. So I will just go over here and there are a bunch of photos over here. So let's say that I want to edit this photo of my coffee mug and I'll just click on confirm over here to begin the editing process of my coffee mug. So I have just uploaded this photo and now I can select it. And you can see over here, you can sync the cloud. And what we're going to do is we are going to open this image up on VSCO. And now we are going to click on edit image on the bottom. Now, once you click on edit image on the bottom, this will show you multiple different ways that you can edit your image. Now, this includes some basic heavy filtering, and you also have FX adjustments, all tool adjustments, as well as your previous edits that you can help in creating a theme or a particular aesthetic to your Instagram, Facebook, or build your own vibe. Then you also have certain organizational tools. Now go into the first filter section and you can see there are a bunch of different presets out there. These presets can help you in achieving a very distinctive look. These looks can look great on certain photos and this actually looks like a great preset for my photo over here. It's a really cute little preset that can make my mug and the coffee look really nice and it just gives a very warm feeling. And this is my original photo and this is the preset that enables to highlight the green undertones and the rustic and vintage vibe. Now after that we have this, we also have these, so we have a bunch of different options over here that we can pick out from. Now if you like a preset but you find it to be too intense, so if I want this blue preset but I don't want it to be as intense as it is, just do a double click on the preset and then you can reduce the saturation of the preset. So this is at 0 and this is at 100. And if I put it somewhere around the middle, I can have a certain bluish tone without having it overpower my original image. Now, if you want, you can go into the featured presets, essential ones for this photo, which are going to be AI-based presets that they recommend. You guys can see there are certain presets that are recommended for the photo, and professional presets as well as popular and favorited presets. Now you also have certain presets with a pre-existing tone, such as warm presets, vibrant ones, black and white, portrait ones, nature, and urban presets. Now other than that, you can go into the editing tool and you have a few different tools, such as dodge and burn, where you can highlight and saturate certain areas. So if I go into my image over here and I want to burn it, so I want to make my mug appear a bit darker, I'm going to go into dodge and burn. I'm going to zoom in a little and I'm going to go into the burn section and then take a really large brush. And I can run this over my mug, and that's darkening and bringing depth towards the mug. Now, you can do this with any object that you want to bring focus or highlight to. As you guys can see over here, if I want to make the planter in the back look a bit darker, I can run this over here. And if I want the light to appear a bit dimmer, I can run that over as well. Let's say I want my mug to be a bit lighter. If this is too dark for me, I can go into dodge and then choose the size of my brush and then apply the dodge brush over here to make it a bit lighter. Now, all of these are your own personal preferences. You can choose your alignment, rotation, text, and colors, as well as clarity and sharpening tools that can help you in enhancing a image. Now, this is just one image. Let's go on ahead and upload another one so we can see the different versatilities of VSCO. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to go on ahead and we are going to click on upload. We have a bunch of different images. Let's just take this one over here. So I'll take this image over here and we have these candle stands over here and I will just click on edit image. Now to make this image a bit more dreamy, I want to go into the editing tools, click on light, and then we can click on a faded effect. Then I can click on over here. And once I have added a faded effect, I will add a vignette like this. And then if I go into FX, I can add some distressed appearance. I can add a glitchy appearance. You also have frames and different light effects that you can add and customize as well. You also have certain presets that you will see. So in the last image, I added this fade and vignette, and I can create this recipe to apply throughout my images. Now, after I have edited the basics, I'm going to go into the presets and let's just browse on ahead into some of the presets. And I think I like this high beam one. It just really brings out a really big contrast. And then after that, I can go back into my essential tools, go into exposure and just adjust the exposure to be a little bit more. And then I can go into contrast, and to give a more faded impact, I can make the entire image faded, or if I want a high impact image, I can increase the contrast as well. And this way you can slowly make your own image very customized and individualized to your personal style and how you would like to frame your images. Now, this is just one tool. If you want to diversify your horizons further, you can use PicsArt as well. PicsArt is another tool that I really like to use. It has a bit more of a cartoonish appeal in most of their image, but their images are still amazing to edit. I would say that if you're looking for something that a bit more childlike, then PicsArt is going to be better because it allows you to, add stickers, add the things, adds a really bright element. However, if you want, you can also edit in a professional way on one tool and then go on ahead and choose another tool for a different kind of edit. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.